What's up? Today I'm going to put a cold air intake on this 2006 Dodge Charger RT. Alright, let's do it. Alright. Oh yeah, look at that thing. Sick. Yeah, I just painted that. Looks sick. Okay, so for starters, you just gotta pull this off. We'll take that off. Put that down over here. And then we're just gonna remove this. It's a 10 mil right there. And a flathead there. And just pull that off and that should be it. Alright, let's do it. Still gotta pull that guy out. Put on this rubber surround on here. Tougher than I thought, but it's a really stiff piece of rubber. Fit on there exactly perfect too, so I just took a minute and put all the clamps on everything, put the oxygen sensor in this rubber 90. Put the filter together, put the box in, box it in. Now we just got to put all the rest of it together and tighten it up. She's good to go. So after test fitting this a couple times, the conclusion, they have no instructions, so this bottom of the filter piece gonna mount on the inside of the box, and then everything else attaches to that, and then we just put the filter on last. I had to test fit it 2 or 3 times to figure out the best way to do this. Like I said, there's no instructions, so yep. Alright. There we go. You can actually reach inside and push the plastic piece onto the grommet to make sure that it's really fully seated. There's like a little lip inside too that you should push it all the way to the lip, or you run the risk of air seeping in and getting unfiltered air into your motor, which is bad news. Don't want that to happen. Alright man, look at that. It's basically on. Gotta plug everything in, put the filter on, man. Looks good. Tight. Filter time. Oh, hard to do with one hand. Should have a tripod out here. There we go. Slide it on. Make sure it's all the way on. Yeah, boy, look at that. Looking sick. Sick. Woo! So everything is tightened up. Just attach this oil. Just attach this new oil. Intake oil line thing of the jigger. Slide it all the way on there, make sure it's nice and tight. It's almost looking kind of kinked, so make it so it's not. There we go. Plug in this bad boy, O2 sensor thingy. fully in there. Everything's on, man. This thing's looking sick. Throw this thing back on it. Where'd it go? Working just like that. Oh man. That is really looking sick. Look at that, boy. Cold air intake installed.